She got it. She got it. Oh, you better go get that hat, Shay. Go get it.
Give me that.
Do it again. Do it again right there. She's like, I'm ready. I'm ready. She's going to fight you.
I was just thinking because we've seen each other for a while.
Yeah, it's been really great. I just...
What was that?
That was gunfire.
She gets it off quick. She's going in there.
Are you enjoying your day off? Guys, are you okay? We're outside the restaurant right now. Is the shooter still inside?
Wait.
I can't see.
So much shot tools, I gotta get in.
No, Steve, we need to wait for that.
Jules,
Might still be
let's go.
out.
Jules, hang tight.
Look at her tail.
Don't go in there.
She knows how to get it off. Now, dude, run with it and watch her chase your shit. Run. Daisy, go get it. Get it. Wait, let her see you.
Daisy. Do you want this? You want this?
I'm sorry, I don't know who that is.
Where are your hands? Where are your hands? No cell phones. Hey, oh, cell
Dude, run with it. Seriously, get her down on the ground. Wait, get her down on the ground first. Get her, Daisy. No, she'll watch. She'll watch around the wall. Oh, she's going the other way. She's smart. Get her, Daisy. Get her. No, she knows to go around the other way. She's so smart.
It's so funny.
Get it, Daisy. Her tail wagging as she brings it to you.
Keep all these people back. Let's do it now. Dealing with at least one shooter. How many hostages? 10, maybe more. Jules? Limited advantage. Looks like we're
Good girl. Get it.
Maybe Jules can feed us information inside.
Get it, Daisy. Whoa.
Oh, don't hit the ball. Don't. Oh my gosh. That whole...
You guys clear out. I want everyone to keep quiet. I gotta think.
You know what I mean? Mr. Grinch.
Hands behind the head. You know what this place is, right?
It's a restaurant.
Yes. It looks very much like a restaurant, but you know what it is?
You know, she's gonna be like, totally tear this hat in two if they let her have it.
You should put it over Jack's head and see what he does.